Today's video regarding Brother Printer MFC-J995DW. I'm going to show you how to do the multiple scannings using the automatic document feeder, and I'm going to scan from this to a USB. So let's start with that. So these are the pages I'm going to scan. So you have to place the pages like 1, 2 and 3 starting from top. Place it like this, facing downwards. And this is the USB I'm going to use, so install it here. Go to the display panel. On the display panel we have to click on the home button, click on the scan item, and you will see USB and SD card sign here. Click on that, click again. We can also change the some settings. I'm going to increase the DPI because currently it is 200. So click on options and you will see scan type, resolution. So I'm going to increase it up to 300. File type, I can do JPEG and PDF, so PDF is okay. So I'll select that and click OK and click on the start button. You will see it will start the scanning automatically. So all the 3 files are scanned, and we'll check on the display panel. So it is saved to the USB now, and now I'm going to show you how to use the scanner bed. For that we simply have to open the top scanner, place the page facing downwards here, and again we have to go to the display panel and click on the scan button, SD card, and this. Again I'm going to the option, as I'm going to change the resolution to 300. Also I want to change it as a JPEG, so click on that and click OK and start the scanning process. So click on the finish. Now go to home button, and if you want to see that JPEG, open photos, select files, and you will see here there are 2 files available. So this is the one with copy, print, scan we have done just now. Click OK, and this is the second one. As we can see here, you can click OK. If you want, you can print from here. So this way we can just do the scanning with the different methods. So overall I can say it's very easy to scan from this printer. You can just use the touch screen panel, and you can use a USB stick. Also you can use the SD card slot which is here. And if you don't want to use multiple documents for scanning, you can simply go and use the top scanner. Thanks for watching.